I'm gonna try the schedule of Leonardo da Vinci. And the people who don't know who's Leonardo da Vinci, he's the painter who painted Mona Lisa, The Last Supper. You must be knowing that at least. So I'm gonna try that. And to my surprise, he used to only sleep for 2 hours a day for like several years to come, and that's kind of disgusting, but whatever. So the purpose was it might be like he got more hours, more working hours than we do, because we sleep like 8 to 12 hours a day, and he used to sleep only 2 hours, so he must be getting like 22 hours every day or for several years. So that was his advantage, but maybe it suited him. I don't think so it can suit any of us in this era, and the culture and everything differs from his time to our time. I tried sleeping, but I couldn't sleep. But also, it feels good that I kind of feel like I was meditating, and I feel good. Everything was totally fine until it wasn't, because further in this video, you'll see I was like literally dead. Just I feel because I was resting for 20 minutes and like 4 hours of span, I kind of feel like better. We'll begin from now, because I am such a sleeper. I need sleep, and I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's see. I wish I can continue till tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. I want to sleep so badly. And like it's just 12, and just because I've been reading and not doing any sort of time pass, I couldn't even actually read and understand some keywords like in the end, because it was hard for me to understand. So I just washed my face and I'm back again, and let's try it again. After some times I felt lethargic and really inactive, and in this video I'm talking about when I slept and what happened after that. Reached to a point where I was already like sleeping, and I have to wake up. The alarm went on, and I don't know, I want to sleep. It's just that I don't know. You imagine like you give a lollipop to a child, and then this when they are about to lick it, you just snatch it away. That is what. I feel like this can really work out if you have to do something and you have to get it done very fast. So you can take 20 minutes of nap and you can carry on with your work, but it didn't work for me. Basically, this 20 minutes have been the best, as while taking those naps I just realized one thing, that I could really see myself falling into sleep. Like I could realize that I'm about to sleep, and the alarm used to go out. Also, the fact that when I was reading I couldn't understand some words is that I was really sleepy, and you can see in this video that this was me being miserable in that time. But the fun fact is that I could complete a lot of things which were pending, and I'm glad for this challenge to come and to face it. By this time I was lost, and I lost it all because my eyes were like shutting down every second. And then it was morning time, so I decided to go to gym and carry out my day anyways. A lot of people will argue if I can like stay up by the night, but if you really have to work on and you can't sleep for even 1 minute for the whole night, it's not possible. But I feel good right now. Like if I just go on the laptop and do something on that, I'll get retarded. I'll just die. Just because I carried out that experiment, I came from gym in the morning and I slept around like 10, and I woke up by 6. Now it is 6:30 and I woke up just now. I woke up, and you can see the after effects if you do this, what happens. Maybe it worked for Leonardo, but it didn't work for me. So if you found out anything valuable in this, do like this video, and thank you for watching.